Yes, I gave Claude AI my client's entire marketing strategy, every ad, every email, every funnel page, and what it found genuinely surprised me. Now, before you think this is just another AI hype video, this isn't me telling you Claude is magic. This is me showing you real business, real numbers, real problems that the $6,000 a month agency has missed for 2 years straight. I've spent the last 4 years helping businesses above $500,000 scaling their client acquisition through paid traffic and AI systems. I've run this exact same audit process across dozens of businesses at this point. I know that the leaks look like, and I know where agencies constantly fail to find them. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact inputs I gave Claude, copy-paste, ready. The 3 specific problems it flagged that were costing the business an estimated around $1,100,000 a month, and the exact changes we made that took leads from 19 a month to 41. Let me pull up the screen and walk you through it from the beginning. Before I get into the audit itself, let me give you the full picture so this is actually useful to you. This client, Marcus, runs a B2B service business. Lead generation through Meta ads, average deal size around 500. He was spending around $6,000 a month on ads and getting roughly 18 to 22 leads a month. On paper, that looks like $207 cost per book call. His agency told him was industry standard. Here's the thing about industry standards. It's usually just another excuse for underperformance dressed up in data. When I started digging in with Claude, what I found was that the cost per lead wasn't even the real problem. The real problem were upstream and downstream of the ads. Entirely. Let me show you how I ran this. 1. His cutting ad creatives. I copy-pasted the ad copy and described the creative format. 2. His landing page copy. Pasted the full text top to bottom. 3. His follow-up sequence email. 6 emails copy-pasted in order. 4. His Meta Ads Manager summary. Screenshots converted to text. The spend, the impression, the CTR, the cost per results broken down by campaigns. And then I gave Claude one instruction. This is the prompt. You are a senior performance marketing strategist. Audit this business's full acquisition funnel. Identify every point where money is being lost, attention is being wasted, or conversion is being suppressed. Be specific, show your reasoning. That's it, nothing else. No lengthy prompts engineering, no complicated setup. The quality of what comes back is directly proportional to the quality of what you put in. Garbage in, garbage out. Context in, strategy out. Here's what it returned with. Claude flagged 3 problems. I want to walk you through each one carefully because every single one of them applies to most businesses running paid traffic right now. Problem number 1, the ad was selling the mechanism, not the outcome. Marcus's best performing ad, $3,000 in spend, was led with how the service works. 3-step processes done for you, blah blah blah. Claude's notes was direct. The ad described a process. Your buyer doesn't care about your processes, they care about their problems disappearing. Rewrite to lead with the specific cost of their current situation. That's not a complicated insight, but nobody has said it to him in 2 years of running ads. We rewrote the hook from our 3-step systems help B2B businesses generate consistent leads to your pipeline dried up this quarter. It's probably not your product, here's what it actually is. Same offer, completely different entry points. One talks about the seller, the other talks about the buyer. That's the entire difference. Problem 2. The landing page had 4 call to actions. Claude flagged this immediately. 4 CTAs, book a call, download a guide, watch a video, follow up on LinkedIn. Its exact output, conversion pages with multiple CTAs consistently underperform single CTA pages by 30 to 40%. Every additional option you give a prospect is a decision they have to make. Decision creates friction, and friction kills conversions. Marcus's landing pages convert rate was 9.4%. His traffic volume, roughly 340 landing page visitors a month. At his close rate of roughly 20%, that's 5 to 6 additional clients a month. That's $22,000 to $27,000 in monthly revenue, sitting completely untouched. From a landing page fix, not a new ad, not a new bigger budget, a landing page fix. Problem 3, the follow-up sequence gave up too early. 6 emails over 7 days, then nothing. Claude's analysis, most B2B buyers at this price point require 14 to 21 days and 8 to 12 touch points before making a decision. This sequence abandons prospect at day 7. We pulled his CRM data to check this. Every deal he had closed in the last 6 months, the average time from first ad click to sign was 90 days. His follow-up sequence ended up at day 7. He was ending the conversation 10 days before his own customer were ready to buy every single month for 2 years. So here's what we actually changed and how fast it moved. Week 1, we rewrote the primary ad creative using Claude's suggested angles, tested the new hooks directly against the original in Meta Ads Manager. Within 10 days, CTR went from 1.8% to 3.1%. Cost per landing page visit dropped from $17 to $10. We 2, strip the landing page down to one call to action, book a call. Remove the guide download, the video embedded, link in bottom, like one page, one action landing page. Conversion rate moved from 9.4% to 16.8% within 3 weeks. Week 3, we extended the follow-up sequences from 6 emails over 7 days to 11 emails over 21 days. We added 3 objection handling emails that Claude helped me write, targeting the 3 most common reasons prospect don't book a call. Net result after 60 days, same ad spend, $6,000 a month on change, leads per month up to from 19 to 41 booked calls, from 4 months to 9. New clients closed up roughly 1 per month to 3. That's an additional $9,000 a month in new revenue. From an audit that took less than 2 hours and cost nothing except the time it took to think clearly about the input. The agency never found any of this, not because they were incompetent, but because their incentive is to keep you spending, not to challenge the fundamental of what it's not working. Here's what I want you to take from this. Claude AI is not magic. It doesn't replace strategic thinking, it accelerated it. What it did here was force a structured audit on a system that had never been properly interrogated. Most businesses above $500 a year are not losing because their product is wrong or their market is bad. They are losing to inefficiencies that nobody has ever bothered to name. The ads were running, the page was live, the emails were going out. Everything looked good, like it was working, but nobody had asked the right questions. That is what this tool does when you use it correctly. It asks the questions your agency isn't asking, and it does it in 90 seconds. Now, the next video in this series goes up one level deeper. I'm going to show you the exact prompts I use to get Claude to write my ads creative that actually converts, not direct copy, not templated hook, ad copy built around the specific psychology of your buyer. That video is up next, watch it now. And if this one was useful, subscribe, because this is a series I wish existed when I figured all of this out.